Dude, it looks so good. I love it so much. I love it so much. It looks so good. Oh, how am I gonna wear this around and not feel bad? Because I don't want to ruin it because it's so pretty. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. As you can see, there are 3 boxes right in front of me, and I am so excited because this is the LV Cherry Blossoms drop. I've been loving this collection since I was younger, and I remember seeing it in Paris when we were there for a vacation one year, and I wanted to buy one, begged my mom, and she was like, that's too expensive, we can't afford that. So I've always loved the Cherry Blossoms collection, even more than the multicolor. So when I saw they were re-releasing it, I was like, I must get something. I was lucky enough to get 2 boxes of 2 bags, and then this was a special surprise for my husband, something that he wanted, and we will open it up and find out what's inside. So this release was extremely limited. I reached out to my SA Evelyn about how do I get one of these. She unfortunately didn't have much information. It was pretty close kept for a while, and then she emailed me back and let me know that this was going to be an online only drop and it wouldn't be in stores, and it was dropping on the 14th online. And then she let me know what time. She said 5 a.m. Pacific. And I was like, my goodness, that's super early, but for this drop I will do it. So that morning my husband and I both woke up, we got online, we got on the website, and it was really good, glitchy. So we were put in this waiting room. So I figured, let me try the app. And we tried it, and I was able to get stuff. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh my god, this box is so big. Oh, whoa. It actually came with the ribbon, the Murakami ribbon. It's exciting. It came with the Murakami ribbon. That's so cool. My other bag did not come with that because they weren't in stock at the time. So let's open it and find out what's inside. And I got a little sticker. Okay. So excited. Which one is this one? Okay. Okay. No Murakami tissue. The one that I really wanted. It was on my wish list. It is the Speedy 25 with the cherry blossoms. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. This is so cute. And it comes with a little bag charm. I think you could buy this bag charm separately. So everyone knows what the Speedy 25 looks like. It's a classic LV style. It has the cherry blossoms all over. This big one in the front, cherry blossoms on the bottom. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it so much. When I was looking at the cherry blossom collection, there were a couple bags I had in mind, but the Speedy 25 was the one I wanted. I actually don't have any Speedies. It's a classic LV style, and I figured if I was going to add a Speedy to my collection, this would be the one to add. So it has these D-rings on the side. It's vachetta leather, so I probably have to go get it protected so it doesn't stain. This charm is super cute. I think this also has a crossbody strap inside as well. It has the typical LV lock that comes with every Speedy and its keys. Most people hang it right here, and it has little keys come with it. And it has a leather strap so you can wear it crossbody. But, oh my goodness, I love it so much. I'm so glad I was able to get one of these. It has a pink interior. It has the Murakami 25-year edition tag on the inside. It's pink. I already bought a bag organizers to keep its shape, and also so that I don't mess up the inside, because it's like very soft and very delicate looking microfiber inside. It's a top handle, but it has a strap so I can wear it crossbody. It has, like I said, these D-rings so I can see, where was this one made? Made in France. Ooh, even better. Oh no, this looks so good. Let's see what's inside. It has one pocket. It's, you know, a Speedy generally only doesn't have any pockets, doesn't have any dividers. It's just a big case, I guess. But it looks like it can fit a decent amount of stuff. I don't have any Speedies, so this is my first one. You know, I can carry my cell phones, my wallets, so on and so forth. It looks so good. And the best part is this charm. This is leather charm with the little happy face cherry blossom on it. Cherry blossoms are one of my favorite flowers, which is why I love this collection so much. It's bringing back nostalgia, and I'm so glad I'm able to purchase this now. Thank you, my husband, to letting me buy another bag. I know I just bought 2 before, and now I'm buying more, but this is a special collection I've been waiting 25 years for, so I'm excited. Dude, it looks so good. I love it so much. I love it so much. It looks so good. Oh, how am I gonna wear this around and not feel bad? Because I don't want to ruin it because it's so pretty. But I definitely will have to wear it around. And also, you know, I can pass this down to my little daughter when she gets older, assuming she wants it. Alright, so this was the first bag. Let's see what the next one is. Alright, and now we're on to box number 2. Oh, it came with the bag for some reason. But this one actually doesn't have the Murakami packaging. Oh, it's heavy though. So this one didn't come with the packaging, but at least I have one set. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, I know why. These is not the bag. This is my husband's present. So these, as you can tell, are sneakers. These are the multicolor trainers. My husband really wanted a pair of these when they first came out with the first release, but his size was out of stock. So when they released the cherry blossoms, they did a small restock on the multicolor as well. So I was looking in there, and he really wanted these pairs, but they wasn't there. And I saw that these were available. So I surprised them and picked them up for him. So these are the multicolor trainers. They look great in white. They came in black as well. These are size 9.5. I think they run European sizing, which is why he's a 9.5. Usually he's a size 11.5 in US sizing. You can see there's the multicolor everywhere. It has this cute little detail right here with the little emblem. It has a 54 in the back, which was the year that Louis Vuitton was founded, I think 1854. But these look great. He's gonna look so good wearing these. It has white laces. I don't see any additional laces or anything like that. There was a black version that he wanted as well, but then I think talking to him after that, he was like, I like the white ones, the multicolor pops a little bit more. So I hope he loves this pair, and I hope he is happy to have this in his collection. So that's box number 2, which I thought was the other bag, but this is a great surprise too. So let's open up the next one. All right, so this is the last box, and I know it's gonna be one of my bags, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Excellent. This one also has the Murakami and the panda on it too. So I got 2 different stickers. So this is the second bag I have. I was kind of torn between getting this and the Speedy, but I really wanted Speedy. That was my number 1 choice. When we were looking at the collection, my husband saw this bag and was like, this is super cute. You should take a look at that bag too. In case you weren't able to get the Speedy, this should be your second choice. So this one came up first, and then I saw the Speedy, and then my husband was like, just get them both. So let's open up and see what's inside. This one came with the panda, the other one was the other Sprite. So now I have both. So this. So this is the Boulogne bag. I think I'm saying that right. It is a crossbody bag, and also I think it can be a shoulder bag. It is kind of a hobo bag. It has 2 zippers, has these D-rings so you can connect the strap to. Oh, it looks so cute. It's a perfect size for kind of day to day. It has obviously the cherry blossoms all over the place. And on the bottom, it has a pink interior similar to the Speedy. It has the 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton Murakami. This one is made in Italy. It has the pink interior. It has a strap that you can connect here. I think this is an adjustable strap, so you can either make it a you can undo it and make it a crossbody or a shoulder strap. And it also comes with a chain. So you can use this as a strap or just another decorative thing. You put it on here. This is a pretty hefty chain. It's really heavy. It has Louis Vuitton on each of the little chains. It has a little ball with the Louis Vuitton on it. It's actually very light. It's very, very light. Could be used day to day. Has vachetta leather. Has these corners, vachetta leather on the corners. The strap itself is vachetta leather. Let me see if I can adjust this easily. So you can unstrap it with the buttons, and you can unstrap it, and then there's different spots where you can make this longer or shorter or whatnot. So you can do this and make it longer, so it could be a crossbody. You can make it shorter, make it a shoulder. I'll definitely be wearing the chain on it as part of a decoration. I don't think I would use it as a shoulder strap. I'll most likely be using the chain as decoration and stick it right here to add a little flair to the bag. Oh, these cherry blossoms look so good. It's so cute. The printing is great. I think it's printed directly on. It's not embossed or anything like that. On the LV canvas leather. It has vachetta, has the, like I said, the D-rings usually right here. So, you can hook up straps and stuff. It has LV on the D-rings itself. It has 2 pulls. The opening may be a little bit small if you have big things, but I don't carry too much in my bag, so I can just have my small wallet and my phone and my keys. Oh, it looks so good. I love it. I'm so glad I was able to get something from this collection. I was so glad I was able to get one thing from a collection, and I was lucky enough to be able to get 2. Thanks to my SA, Evelyn, for giving me a heads up on the drop and everything. The drop was on the 14th, and this got delivered today on the 24th. Took about 10 days. I know there was another drop on the 21st that was online or in stores, but only for like 10 stores or something like that in the US. Obviously, I already had my bag, so I didn't really participate in that drop, but I heard that was also very difficult to get, so I feel very lucky and blessed to be able to get these bags. So these are the 2 Murakami Cherry Blossoms bags that I got. I also made another video of the other 2 Murakami bags. Please go and check that out. I'm so excited and happy to be able to get even one of these cherry blossom bags, and I was lucky enough to get 2, and I was able to get 2 other Murakami bags. I feel very lucky to be able to have this collection now. Thank you to my husband for helping me get these bags. Thanks to Evelyn for helping me know when the drop happened, and thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one soon. Bye!